As I awoke that morning, I surveyed the senseless destruction of the night before, and I asked myself many questions. And I also realized many things. I saw that Roy was simply not satisfied with his sleeping arrangement. And that Brian really does drink 47 cokes in the morning when he wakes up. He has excellent bladder control. I also wondered if I was going to need a surgeon to remove the wedgie I got from sleeping on this hill. If it was crammed any further up there, I am sure I would have tasted it in the back of my mouth. By the way, John was smiling. He must be enjoying his wedgie. No one knew what Todd was doing in the back of his truck or why his ears were so red. But whatever it was, he looked very happy and no one lost an eye. I wondered if Heiko was still alive inside that body bag, and who blew up that cooler. Was there anything to eat among the ruins? If there was, I knew Troy would find it. Heiko was still alive, but only barely. I learned it is not always a good thing when Brian smiles like this. John seemed to be deep in thought here, and we all wondered what he was thinking. Later we found out he just wanted to shoot someone in the balls. Troy's balls were the unlucky target that day. Troy was also not satisfied with that arrangement, but he survived. Which was good for Todd. Heiko finally realized he had a serious wedgie too, but made the best out of it. If he just ignored it, it might go away. Todd wanted to help him, but it was something he would have to do himself. Fine, fix your own damn wedgie. Troy wondered if Heiko would notice if he quickly grabbed one of those pieces of bacon. He also wondered how bad he might burn his fingers, but if he was really quick, no one would notice. The bacon smelled good, even if Heiko was cooking it with a plastic fork. This would be the last time we got together like this, which was good for Troy and any plans he had of reproducing. As the day progressed, We enjoyed ourselves and no one thought about what the future might bring. We would all go our separate ways after this. And now looking back, I know I took the road less traveled, and it truly has made all the difference. Someday I will tell my children these stories and they will laugh and think, "Dad's drunk, just let him talk. He will fall asleep soon."